Hello, Mr. Sharma. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I hope it is safe to talk.
Yes, yes, please go
All
on.
right. Well, I already conveyed my worries on how people have started to question the sources of my information and stories.
Okay.
Now even my close aides have started to question the authenticity of my information. Hello?
Yes, I'm listening, please go on.
As I was saying, we need to lay low for a while and go with the normal news flow.
Uh-huh.
While there's a need to blow off the heat, the dough still needs to keep coming.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Uh,
Yes.
we're a small setup,
Uh-huh.
and things need to remain operational.
Well, I understand your predicament, but you see, this is not the time to lay low because, hello, the elections are just around the corner and things are on the roll.
I get it.
And you see, we have other assets in the field too. They are also taking the shots for us. You are not the only one.
Understood.
So just relax and keep doing what you're doing already, okay?
Yeah, fine by me. I just wanted to run it by you. It's good if you have taken the stock of the whole picture.
Okay.
I'll keep you posted.
Yes, sure, sure. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, all right. Take
Okay.
care.